この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
What's up guys, welcome back to the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe channel. So today we're gonna install a new set of headers and exhaust on our car. Yep, all thanks to Better Garage. They sent us a new set of the Fujitsubo headers and exhaust. Yep, thank you guys for always taking care of our A6. So what happened is, last time when I was heading to the track, I actually hit something on the freeway which cracked the header and exhaust pipe in the back. Luckily we have a shop at the track that can help us to weld it back, but then it kind of changed the sound of the exhaust and I hated that. So in order to fix it, I waited just get a new exhaust and header. Hopefully it's gonna fix the issues. So right now we're gonna head to Ken's shop, Threes Racing. They're gonna help us to install the new headers and exhausts. So yeah, let's go. Oh, by the way, I installed a new 11,000 RPM Devi tachometer on my car. It doesn't rev all the way to 11,000 of course, but I just think it's really cool to have this tachometer inside my car. What I was talking about earlier about the resound is basically like this. You guys hear it? Yeah, I guess that's because after we welded back, I mean the headers, after we fixed the crack, we can't really fix that issues. So that's why I end up buying the new Fujitsubo headers and exhaust. Hopefully it's gonna fix everything. Hopefully we don't hear that random sound anymore. But yeah, let's go. What's up, Bobby? So I actually cracked somewhere over there. Yeah. And underneath too. I mean it works, but it sounds different, you know? Yeah. Yay. Yeah. My first Fujitsubo exhaust. Yeah, the welding is pretty nice, huh?
Yeah. That's quality work.
Yeah.
Very made in Japan.
Yeah.
What kind of exhaust do you have right now?
HKS Sports.
Good?
I love it too.
Yeah.
I love it.
It sounds nice.
Yeah. And you can upgrade.
Oh, I like how they made this package. Look at that. Like vacuum seal. Got the hardware.
Brackets.
Yeah. Ooh, new gasket.
So this video becomes Ken Gushi's video actually. I'm waiting for your new video.
On YouTube?
Yeah. When are you gonna make your new video? I think there's some minor modification needed. Yeah. Because they told me the Fujitsubo only makes headers for 16 valve. Yeah. And I guess the mounting point here is kind of different.
It is?
Right here and right here.
Oh.
So might need to change the holes a bit.
Like bore it out or something?
Maybe. But we'll see.
Has anyone put this on a 20 valve before?
Yes.
Wow.
But exhaust fits just the headers. Man, look at that welding.
Yeah, the weld's nice, but I like how they put like protective sleeves over the studs so they don't damage the studs. It's cool.
It's cool.
Don't tell Sherry.
She already knew. Okay, we just took everything out of the box, and as you can see we have the exhaust over here, and we got the headers part over there, and also we got some gaskets and brackets over here from Fujitsubo. Can't show you guys earlier, but yeah, everything that's all we have to install, and that's my old exhaust, my HKS Sports. But check this out, oh my god. All the welding spots are amazing. Look at this. It's beautiful. Yeah, Fujitsubo, love it. Bye HKS.
You just have to cut like a triangle or something. So we'll weld it right here, drill, right? Same thing right here. Add a piece right here, boom, drill.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way. Lay it on top of it.
Trace it.
Yeah, trace it and then cut that piece out. That way you have the same exact angle right here. And all you have to do is just add it right here and we can weld it. You know what I'm saying?
No, I would have got lost.
Cheers.
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 Sunday or Saturday? For a couple days.
It's Saturday.
Tuesday.
Headers in.
Yep.
So we got the exhaust on, but then I forgot. We're still missing the catalytic converter, which I don't have one on my HKS exhaust, so we gotta cut cut part of the exhaust to fit big. This is way harder than I thought.
Tightened up in here.
Header install.
Yeah, there's a very long hair install.
You started at like
I know.
4?
Yeah. And now it's
almost
fucking
12.
12.
8-hour header install.
Jesus. Yeah. Thank you, Bobby.
No problem.
Thank you, Ken.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, what's up, brother? Good morning. No problem.
I want you to back in between the two dynos,
Okay.
and I'll guide you.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thanks for the invite once again.
Thanks for being here.
No problem. Alright, it is the next day. So today we are here at Church Automotive Testing. We are here to do another dyno. Not just a regular dyno. They're here to record some sound effects for, I can tell you guys this, but yes, to record some sound of the car. Yeah, that's pretty much all I can tell you guys. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. So they set up a microphone here to record the engine sound, and they've also set up a microphone here, microphone where the exhaust is. That's pretty professional. So with the new header and exhaust that we installed it, I think it's going to sound amazing. It's not as loud as the HKS one that I had before, but I'm pretty sure the Fujitsubo has got a better deep tone sound than the HKS one. I really can't tell you guys what the sound is for because I signed a contract with these guys, but yeah, when the right time comes, I'm sure I'm gonna let you guys know. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can tell you guys. Okay, they're finished here. Next, they're gonna record some sound from this S13. And now we're just gonna head to Formula Drift, Long Beach, because we're in Long Beach already anyway. So I'll see you guys there. So this is the racetrack, as you can see. Whoa! Yeah, that's the first corner. Go like that, and bam, bam, bam. And here's the second.
And then bam, 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 bam.
Here's the second corner. I think we can take a picture here later with the A6. Oh, we'll see. Let's go find Ken Gushi first. Hey.
Oh, it's cold.
Well, sadly, Sherry is not going to be here on Friday.
Yay! Freedom.
She's going to be at the shop. But I'm going to be here at Formula Drift, Long Beach. Feel free to come visit us. What's up, boss?
What do you want?
Want you?
I want her. We're about to start up in like 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay. Alright, thank you.
He's sober today.
Hey! Ride along, yeah?
Yeah, you down?
Yeah, hell yeah. That's what I'm here for.
How are you?
The new livery looks so good. Alright, let's go check out some other cars. Okay. How's the car?
Better now.
Better now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Look, my Uber is here. was awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh man, that was one hell of a ride. Thanks, Ken. Oh my god, that was insane. So this weekend we're gonna have our own booth at Formula Drift Long Beach. So come support us, show some love. We're gonna have some exclusive Fujiwara Tofu Cafe X Formula Drift exclusive merch this weekend. So only available at Formula Drift. So come show some love, support us, buy some merch. Yeah, feel free to take some picture of our X6 and you know, check out all the Formula Drift scene over here. I'm sure you guys gonna love it. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. As always, everything starts with a dream. I'll see you at Formula Drift. Bye.